If you work in tech or tech adjacent, if you work with engineers, you are an engineer, any or all of the above, you got to check this out. This is a pretty phenomenal resource. We all think of tech centers in the world in India, South America, and of course the United States, but an often overlooked and definitely developing region for tech talent is Central Asia, specifically Uzbekistan. Hey, it's the birthplace of mathematics, so it makes sense they'd have some pretty good developers there. At Trust, we want to share this industry's best kept secret with the world. We interviewed nearly 500 developers in Uzbekistan to find out what is the state of dev in Uzbekistan. The results are really interesting and certainly substantiate how we've been able to build so many successful businesses of our own and for our partners with tech talent from the region. One of the coolest features of this is we have this playground and you can kind of manipulate the data and group the data by any other answer to some other question, like how many trilingual people are there from age 18 to 24? I'm interested in hearing from some of the engineering leaders and managers here in the United States, how the frameworks, platforms, and skill sets compare to the United States. See a heavy focus on React.js, seeing a lot of interest in Rust, potentially as we're entering this next crypto bull run cycle. I imagine on the database side, this looks pretty similar to what we experience in the United States, but although I work in tech, I'm not an engineering leader or manager myself. Always been on the product management, operational side, so I'm interested in knowing what others think and how this compares. We and hundreds of other people spent many hours developing this. It's a fun thing to fiddle around with. Click on the little playground button and read through the report. Tell me what insights you're gathering and get at me if you're trying to build global culture at your business.